We got this new channel coming out, Driving with 60BaeGrey. No cap. Driving with 60BaeGrey. No cap. Okay, guys, the 60BaeGrey, the real trip, back with you. All right, so we're doing a video today. We're gonna see how much it costs to fill up this car. This is what it looks like. I have 30 miles left to go, and I'm at 211 miles. 60BaeGrey, the real trip, no cap. Okay, hey, 60BaeGrey, the real drip, no cap. If your post notifications white, that ain't right. Post notifications black, it's supposed to be like that, no cap. So we out driving, we outside, and I'm gonna hit you back and let you know what my reaction is about, oh, there it is, it says fuel level low. All right, so I'm gonna have to hit you back and let you know what we gonna be on in a second. Talk to you guys later, no cap. Okay, guys, we're back. Well, I'm back. We're back. This part of this video, I told you I would come back and let you know when it's time to get gas. I'm across the street from the gasoline station now, so so you can see where I'm at right here. Let me take this out so we can have, so you can see what's going on. So we're actually going, they're there, the Shell gasoline station. For whatever reason, I like Shell, and so we're gonna record the first filling up my gasoline tank. We're gonna see how that's gonna work. Get my reaction, get your reaction, and that click noise is loud. Whoa, so this is what we're looking at right here. So you see, we got 221 miles out of a full tank of gas. I think it's probably 15 miles left on it. And it says fuel level low, press check mark to dismiss. Now, listen, I don't know where the check mark is. I don't even know why I'm turning the cancel. All right, I can do that, and you can see what I'm looking at. I'm looking right through the steering wheel. All right, brown, no cap. All right, we're gonna go in here, make this turn, and see how much it's gonna cost me to fill up. All right, looks like everybody trying to get gas. All right, so my gas tank is on the left-hand side over here, the driver's side. So while we're waiting, what we're gonna do is I'm gonna get my wallet. Okay, sorry about that. My hand in the way. Let me put the car in park. And while I get my wallet, this person in front of me looks like they filling up because they walked away from the. I got the drip, boy. I like Adidas, maybe we'll talk about that one day. But anyway, I'm gonna come back at you as soon as I pull up. I'm gonna be able to show you how much it's gonna cost and how much it's gonna be. Well, you know, well, let me just tell you guys. Well, let me do story time. I'm not gonna come back. I am 62 years old. I started driving in 1978. Okay, and the gas prices in '78 were like 50 cents, 75 cents. So to see the gas prices where they are today is crazy. And I'm actually trying to see. Oh, the gas sign is over there. Let me see if I can. Gas sign. Show you how much it is. Let me see if I can zoom in on it right there. Right. So that's what we're looking at. The gas prices. All right. So it says $5.45 a gallon. All right. I'm going to confirm it with you guys. Let me back up so this guy, you can get out. I don't want no problems. I don't want no trouble. And I don't want no drama. It's one of my favorite sayings. I don't want no problems. I don't want no trouble. And I don't want no drama. Boy, you backing up awful lot. Right, what is you doing? Okay. All right. Pulling up. All right. So I'm gonna hit park, and I'm gonna take you guys with me. So, oh, let me get my credit card out. I ain't trying to be fumbling around because I got one hand to while I'm using this. You know what? I got a selfie stick, so I'm gonna just go ahead and use my selfie stick and put this on here. Okay. So, we're going to bring you along right here so you can see what is going on. What's going on? Turn the car off. And unlock. Okay. All right. Open the door. All right. Okay. Let me show you what I'm. All right. Which one should I get? Oh, let me stop playing. You know which one I'm gonna get. I gotta get this one right here. Yeah. All right. So there is no lock on the gas, and all I gotta do is just push it in and start gassing up. So let me put my credit card in. You can't see that. I'll just show you. Let's look at the car. Look at the whip. No cap. All right. So we gotta look at that gas tank. It's thirsty. Gas tank is thirsty. All right. All right. All right. All right. Gotta hit enter. One moment, please. Approved. Remove card. All right. Y'all didn't see my number, did you? All right. Remove nozzle. All right. So we're gonna take this nozzle here and we're gonna whip it around. And we're gonna. All right. We're gonna press 93. All right. So we're 5 minutes in. Let's see how long it's gonna take to fill up on an empty tank. It says y'all can begin. Let the games begin. All right. Let's see it. Tally up. Okay. All right. That ain't too bad. We just getting started though. Okay. All right. So look. This definitely is, as you see, is $5.45, 45.9. So basically, it's 46 cents. $5.46. So all right, so we're at 25. We'll hit it. Get you at 25. 25. We at 25. Can I get 30? Can I get 30? Can I get 30? Can I get 35? Can I get 30? Can I get 30? Can I get 30? Can I get 30? We got 30. We got 30. All right. So can we get 40? Can we get 40? Okay. Looks like we're moving up. We're moving up. We're going to 30. 35, 35, 35. No, I need 40. 40, 40, 40 over here. 40. Looks like we're hitting 40, y'all. This is the magic countdown or count up. No cap. Listen, how much, bruh? All right. Okay, it's going to hit 50. Is it going to stop? Is this going to stop at 50? Nope. All right. Okay. So, y'all, I know y'all going to try to speed this up and speed through it, but I don't care. So we're going to see, okay, we're at 60. 65, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90. All right, comment below on what you think it's going to be. All right, is it going to be $100? I say it's going to be $110. $110 on an empty tank. Okay, it's an empty tank. Well, they had about 10 miles, 11 miles left. And, hey, we're at 70. That's crazy. Let me put my glasses on so I can make sure I'm seeing this right. Okay. And it takes a long time to fill up. I think it's going to be wise for me to fill up when it's halfway, you know, right at half. What y'all think? Because it's number one, it takes too long, and like it's a lot of money, no cap. Oh! Nice. That ain't bad. I said 110. So it stopped. Let me squeeze a little bit more out of it. Let me squeeze a little more. Okay. $95. First time I didn't think it was gonna be that. Okay, that ain't bad. I'll take that. That ain't bad. So, all right. I don't want to get no gasoline on my car. No. All right. Replace nozzle. Go ahead, close this joint up, and then we Gucci. All right. Just one moment, please. All right. Y'all want to see? Ain't gonna skip me. All right. Print out a receipt. There you have it. $95. All right, let's get back in the car. It's gonna be a short video. All right, well, short comment. I'm getting back in. All right. Okay. Took you guys with me. You got my reaction. I am encouraged. It's not that bad. Not that bad at all. I got my glasses on, looking like Grandpa. But I ain't no Grandpa. 60BaeGrey, no cap. All right, let me start this car up. Go ahead. All right. It's saying I can get 272 miles. Let me squeeze up on it. 272. Okay, and you can see I have 221 miles total that I've driven so far. So that's how much it looks like I can get. I think that's pretty good. But for $95, oh man. Okay, that's the end of the video. I'm gonna put y'all back here. I'm gonna close it out. 60BaeGrey, the real drip, no cap. Hey, the real drip. Oh, let me take this thing off. We gotta get y'all. Man, if you like the t-shirts, man, this t-shirt is fire. I've already had people say, hey man, I want the shirt. Well, you heard my man. He said he wanted a shirt. Somebody else texted me and said, hey man, a shirt, man, give me a shirt. So, but anyway, post notification is white. That ain't right. Post notifications black. Supposed to be like that. No cap. Listen, I've been saying this every video. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe. Maybe I might have been saying it too fast and you guys haven't been able to catch on to what I'm saying, but I'm saying comment, like, subscribe, and share. And if you have Apple phone or iPhone, I say Apple. If you have an iPhone, then it's a whole different workaround. You got to figure that out. Maybe I'll do a video on how to subscribe on iPhone because I use Android. No cap. So listen, 60BaeGrey, the real drip. I gotta go. This video. I hope you enjoyed it. But anyway, time to go. No